Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Let me upgrade you. Baby, what's higher than number one? I'm just kidding, guys. Let's go ahead and get into it. One of my clients asked me to name a quote that I live by, and after thinking about it for a little bit, one of my favorite quotes by John Maxwell popped into my mind, and it's, "If your habits don't line up with your dream, then you need to either change your habits or change your dream." And in case you didn't hear me, I'll say it again. If your habits don't line up with your dream, then you need to either change your habits or change your dream. On today's video, I'm here to talk to you about habits and is it time to upgrade your habits? So what's a habit? How do you even define that? Well, really, let's just keep it simple. A habit is something that you do regularly, something that you may not even intend or doing without even realizing. So whether it's eating the same thing for lunch, doing the same exercise routine, or having the same bedtime, or maybe your habit could be eating something sweet before bed, avoiding the gym altogether, or staying up as late as possible. In fitness, there are two very, very important habits, and that is what you eat and your exercise routine. I'm Coach Rakita, and I'm here to tell you that developing safe, healthy, and sustainable habits for your fitness journey are extremely challenging. Early on in my fitness journey, it was something I struggled with. I would literally keep making the same mistakes over and over and over until I changed my habits. And you know what helped me? There are 4 steps that really helped me upgrade my habits. So I'm here to share those 4 steps with you so you don't make the same mistakes I did. So step number 1, choose one habit. Don't choose 3, don't choose 4, don't choose 5, pick just one. Why? Typically because if you're choosing 3, 4, or 5 or more, you're gonna get overwhelmed and you're more likely to fail and not succeed. So what I recommend first is picking one habit that you wanna focus on. What are some examples of habits? Hey, one habit might be sticking to your new exercise routine. Another habit might be going to sleep earlier. Another habit could mean waking up earlier. Another habit could mean cooking more versus eating out. Whatever it is, just pick one and don't overwhelm yourself, folks. Step number 2, write down your habit on a piece of paper. But let's not stop there. Take it a step further. I also want you to write down 3 of your main motivators, your obstacles that you may face that may stop you from reaching your habit, and strategies for overcoming those obstacles. So what's the 3rd step? The 3rd step is committing fully. Commit in public. Tell a friend. Get an accountability partner. Don't go and just hide it in private. Why? Because guess what? You may not even hold yourself accountable to that habit. So don't be shy about it. Post that thing on that story so that when people see you, they're congratulating you, you can reward yourself and apply some pressure. Dun, 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 dun. Let me upgrade you. Baby, what's higher than number one? I'm just kidding, guys. Let's go ahead and get into it. The last and final step, step 4, is tracking the progress of that habit. Whether you journal, whether you check in, whatever you do, track it. Why? That way you can make adjustments, see what's working, what's not working, and yeah. And keep in mind, guys, it takes 30 days, right? 30 days for that habit to really fully be embedded. So don't give up, keep going. If you made it to this part of the video, that means that you've made it to the end, and I thank you, I cherish you, and I love you. If you have any more questions, guys, let me know. I'm here for you. I literally am. I am your fitness bestie, and I love to help. Anywho, until next time, thanks for watching.